Of Moldova, where the code runs deep. Arena Chisinau, where the giants meet. From the east to the west, they gather in this place to share the wisdom, to accelerate the pace. Lines of code, dreams unfold, innovation bright and bold. Ideas spark, futures ignite. In this arena we unite. Developers meet on the arena, where the future is written in code. Moldova's finest, let the world know. This is where our visions grow.
Moldova DevCon is the largest event for developers in Moldova, and we welcome everyone who actually do the digitalization. So we've prepared the magnificent event for you from our hearts and souls, so we welcome you here.
An arena full of developers, engineers, designers, project managers, testers.
So many nerds, tech guys, and people just create awesome stuff. So if you're here, please connect with other people and make a friend at the end of the conference.
Good, deep talks by experts from all fields in the IT sector.
We are making history.
Meet on the arena, where the future is written in code. Moldova's finest, let the world know. This is where our visions grow. Gamers and sessions, breakthroughs in sight. Hackathons, challenges through day and night. Collaborate, celebrate the digital art. Every bite, every bit, it's a work of heart. Getting dreams side by side. In this arena we take pride. Building bridges, tearing walls. In the arena we stand tall.
If you are a developer and considering to come to a developer conference in Eastern Europe, this is it.
Big thanks to organizers. I'm already waiting for MDC 2025.
MDC in Moldova. See you next year.
Developers unite under one bright sun. Moldova DevCon, where the future's won. With passion in our hearts and code in our veins, we're writing the future, breaking the chains. So come to Moldova, where the dreams ignite, where the geeks and creators